Good morning. This is Diana Sescolini, and this is week number 11 of my 16-week Principles of Management course at MVC. Today is Monday, November 3rd. We're going to start part 5, which is called the leading process. So here's what's happening this week only. First of all, I am going to be working on your SWOT analysis grading. I'm way behind on that, but it takes a long time to do them. So this week, November 3rd, quiz number 4 covering chapters 10, 11, 12, and 13. That will be due Sunday night, November 9th on Canvas. Now, there'll be approximately 40 multiple choice questions because there's 10 from each chapter. Then also this week, we're covering 2 chapters, chapter 14 and 15. 14 talks about what are the basic elements of individual behavior in organization. These 2 chapters this week are actually my favorite chapters because you're looking at employee behavior and what motivates that employee. And so you really have to understand what motivates that employee to get the most productivity out of them as possible. Chapter 15 is about managing employee motivation and performance. So that really ties into all of that. Like I said, this is one of the favorite chapters that I took when I was doing my grad program. So this week there's homework. There's why does it matter? Because we're starting a new part, and you'll have a self-assessment and a learn it for both chapter 14 and 15. There is no discussion board this week, so you don't have that. Just the quiz, chapter 14 and 15. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about anything or your grades. Please check your grades in Canvas. Those are the grades I go by. If you find a discrepancy, send me a message. I want to make sure it's always cleared up. I don't want you to think that your score is lower than it really is or higher than it really is. So just keep an eye on your scores. I really appreciate it. I want to thank you again for listening to this video and for taking my class. It's extremely important to me. Thank you so much, and I'll be talking to you later.